Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Ed Gym here today to talk to you about one of our variations of our kettlebell rows. This is going to be a kettlebell single arm dead stop row. Okay, now when we do a dead stop row, what that essentially means is that the weight is going to be in resting position on the ground in between your repetitions. So I'm going to start with my kettlebell lying on the ground, right leg so. I'm going to take a staggered stance that's going to be open towards the kettlebell. Okay, so first coaching cue is make sure that opposite foot is up and outside of our kettlebell, and then same side foot is going to be back. Okay, now my recommendation, and this is coaching cue number 2 for you, is that you do this with your hands supported either on a box or on a bench. Okay, it can be done freestanding with that arm rested up against your knee. You're going to get a better workout and better lat engagement if you can take that hand and support against the bench, right, like so. Now I'm going to keep my back nice and neutral, just about parallel to the ground, which is what we're looking for the most effective possible use of this exercise. Now, I'm going to take my kettlebell, I'm going to set it up either neutral position or pronated position, whatever feels best for you, okay? Now I'm going to start with that kettlebell straight down from my shoulder. I'm going to row. As I row, I'm going to keep this shoulder tucked back, engage my lat, and bring it back down until it rests on the bottom, okay? So right like so, again, shoulder back, row, and then return, right like so. I let that kettlebell rest, okay? So next coaching cue for you, what you don't want to do is have your client tapping their weight like that. They want to let it rest, let it settle, get a good stretch on that lat, and then initiate and perform their next row from there. If you have somebody that's really struggling with this exercise, continue to coach them on it. I will continue to use a kettlebell with a dumbbell. It's going to increase the range of motion, which is essentially going to make the technique more difficult for people that are brand new to it. But my recommendation is go lighter with the weights, have them do it hand supported, okay? That way you can emphasize keeping their back nice and straight first. You can emphasize where they're supposed to feel it in their lower lat and get them to understand that connection, okay? Anyway, give these coaching cues a try the next time we do kettlebell single arm dead stop rows in one of our boot camp workouts.